हंसराज में सेकेंड ईयर से start taking coaching. It was like a eye-opening moment for me. I could not catch up at all, so I joined a lot of study communities where people would put questions. I gave CAT, but it was not a very full-blown preparation that I'd done, and I was crying. My percentile came. I was crying out loud because my attempt when I'd given, I was very confident I am not getting anything less than 99. A year of coaching and end up knowing nothing if I do not practice. I converted IIM Indore, but I was not very happy with myself. I thought, okay, I can definitely do better.
Please don't follow this advice at home.
मुझे एमबीए करना था, ये मुझे पता था. हंसराज में सेकेंड ईयर से स्टार्ट टेकिंग कोचिंग. ओके,
What
बट
face to face या online? What did you
नो
do?
नो 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 फेस टू फेस. उस समय ऑनलाइन का उतना कल्चर ही नहीं था बेसिकली. सो आई डिड फेस टू फेस
Okay.
क्लासेस. टाइम वाज द पॉपुलर ब्रांड. सो ओके, आई हर्ड ओके टाइम इज फेमस, एवरीवन इज गोइंग टू टाइम. सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज दैट आई हर्ड दैट टाइम सीपी हैज द मोस्ट IIM converts. So I thought, why go to North Campus, which is close to me? I will go to the best institute. So I got myself admitted in Time CP. Couple of months in, I was shocked because I think barely 4 5 of us were commerce people. Everybody was an engineer there, and the teacher was also teaching from a very engineering standpoint. And I was at a loss. I could not catch up in class at all. Okay, it was like a eye opening moment for me. I could not catch up at all. I was lagging behind in quant like anything. My verbal was good. Like when I was doing it in class, it was good. Reasoning was good, and at the time, CAT structure was different. Okay, it was a two-part exam where VA and LR were combined section, DI and Quant were a combined section. When I was preparing in second year, okay, and then it changed when I came to third year. It seemed like one section was good and other section was completely gone for me. Like I could not catch up in Quant, so I gave up in the middle. Like I stopped going to classes. I did not pursue it through and through. Okay, to be very frank, I went, I sat, but I did not practice. And this was my key takeaway from that entire experience, that I can do a year of coaching and end up knowing nothing if I do not practice. I did prepare for coaching, and also I went 6 months, right? I sat, I gave mocks, I got horrible scores. So, I did that entire process. So I knew what the process is. I gave CAT, but it was not a very full blown preparation that I'd done. I just gave it and I got decent percentile. I got a call and I converted IIM Indore. But I was not very happy with myself. I thought, okay, I can definitely do better.
Please don't follow this advice at home. If you get IIM Indore, you take IIM Indore. You don't leave IIM Indore thinking I'll now get into a better institute. IIM Indore is pretty good.
Did you go back to time या खुद ही preparation किया फिर से CAT के लिए जी? Did you do CAT or GMAT?
No, I did CAT and मैंने खुद से
Okay.
preparation की थी. So the key take, I took my learnings of why I did not clear it the first time. So I knew that okay, I need time in the sense that I want to study concepts, but I need time to practice it. And if I keep going to coaching, coming back, that's exhausting process and it does not help and it demotivates you. So I took it from scratch. I started reading Arun Sharma's books and I went to basics, like go back to basics, start understanding what the syllabus is, where I am lagging, and what I know. So I knew that until 10th, anything, any topic under the sun until 10th, I can do. And that I don't need a lot of coaching for. So I started studying myself. 2 months I studied quant continuously and I understood the topics. There were few areas where I needed more improvement. For example, algebra, PNC. For that, I had taken an online coaching separately. Then I saw a lot of YouTube videos also to understand okay how people are doing it fast. I joined online communities. There are a lot of communities on Facebook at the time. So I joined a lot of study communities where people would put questions and answers and they would put approaches. So I befriended some of them, in the process, who were solving my doubts. 3 months I gave very packed effort, that okay, it's 3 months. If this will not work, I will go back to work. I will prepare for GMAT. This is my last try. I'm not giving CAT again.
What percentile did you get?
It was not great actually. I landed up at 97.5 percentile. I was not very happy.
और पहली बार
Apparently,
कितना मिला था रुचिका? first time when you
Uh,
got in Indore?
First time it was 91 percentile, and I was crying. My percentile came, I was crying out loud because my attempt when I'd given, I was very confident not getting anything less than 99. My attempts were very high. I was very sure I've killed it, and I've done really good. And when the results came in, I was shocked. VARC that I thought will be my killer section turned out to be the disastrous. But I got calls from Bangalore, Lucknow, and all of them. Apart from ANC, I got calls from all, and it was, I think, largely because of my overall profile score. So my overall 999s, and my GPA, college GPA was very high, like it was 96 percentiles.